All right, now we're going to talk about making our frosting. Start off, we're going to need 1 cup of shortening. We have our 1/2 cup measuring cup here. So we're going to go ahead and dump this in. Make sure to get all of it. We're going to need 1 more 1/2 cup. Same thing, we're going to measure it off and pour it right in there. Put the shortening to the side. And now we're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So 1 and 2. At this point, I'm going to start on low and just mix it in. And then turn it up step by step. At this point, we're going to go ahead and scrape it from the sides. And turn it back on.